Welcome to E-Prime. For this evening, I am Daydrian. Reggae royalty mystic Marley, soca princess Nailah Blackman, Walshy Fire, and music producer Click and Press jump for a soca dancehall reggae fusion with the release of their latest song. The track Jump sees mystic Marley bringing a fresh and contemporary sound, while Nailah Blackman delivers her melodious vocals, adding a unique dimension to the song. Click and Press beautifully fuses the sound of soca, dancehall, and reggae to make listeners jump. Now, over the weekend, Bruno Mars cancelled his concert in Tel Aviv, Israel, after Hamas launched a surprise wave of attacks from Gaza. The singer made his first appearance in Israel on Wednesday and was scheduled for a second show on Saturday. Both shows were sold out. In an Instagram post, the concert organizer Live Nation Israel issued a statement originally posted in Hebrew stating that the performance was cancelled. Israel declared a state of war on Saturday after Hamas bombarded the country with rockets from Gaza, while its fighters carried out surprise attacks from land, sea, and air. Ed Sheeran's Autumn Variations debuts at #1 on the official UK Albums chart. This extends his perfect UK Albums chart record. The album is also Sheeran's 7th straight leader and the best-selling on Wax. Sheeran expressed his gratitude on his Instagram for having his first #1 album on his own record label.
Thank you so much for making Autumn Variations the #1 album in the United Kingdom. This is my first album on my own record label, so this means more than any other award that I've had. Thank you so much for all the support. It's been amazing to get reconnected with the fans over the past few months, and hope you continue liking the album, and I'll see you next year for the next one.
Sheeran's chart success follows an equally successful 2022, where he won Songwriter of the Year at the Brit Awards and was named the most played artist of 2021 in the UK. He was also chosen to close the Queen's Platinum Jubilee celebrations, also in 2021. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daydrian. Thank you for watching. See you next time.